It was an August summer night. It felt like I was drowning under the sky into a blue night, darker than coal, like the ocean rushing through my soul. The place where dark waters turn bright. It looked like I was falling, hoping to cry rivers of roses lost into my eyes. Forever gone, another sunrise. Birds of rain falling from the sky. Birds of rain under the sea. Waves of sorrow on my skin. I let you fly away. I let you fly away. Redbirds flying, black daylight. It seemed like I was fighting. Why should we die? My mind flows in a world without you. Searching through the ghost tides, I need you. Birds of rain falling from the sky. Birds of rain under the sea. Waves of sorrow on my skin. I let you fly away. I let you fly away. You left me all alone into the silence.